In this video, we'll be exploring a basic method for exporting your edited photographs, which is slightly different to saving them as if we were going to continue working on them later. This video will deal with the concept of saving images for circulation offline, be that on a PowerPoint presentation or integration into a Word document, for example. Optimization for the internet is a larger topic which will be dealt with in a separate video. The first method of exporting a photograph that we'll explore can be accessed by going to File, Save As. Here you can give a name to your file, although it's important not to remove the suffix from the file name, so that's anything beyond the full stop. Then I would navigate to select where I want to save my file. On a Mac, you may need to click this little arrow to open this window larger and find the destination for your file. Next, we need to decide the format. Usually, when we save a Photoshop file that we want to continue working on later, we select Photoshop, which creates a .psd file for us. However, in this instance, we want to export our file into a format that we could share with someone who perhaps doesn't have Photoshop on their computer. There's a range of formats to choose from here, but I'm going to select JPEG. Next, we'll click Save. With JPEGs in particular, we see a second window titled JPEG Options. Here you have a slider which you can use to select the quality of your JPEG. A higher quality will result in a larger file size, but that's fine for me. You can see the actual file size represented here. I'll press OK on this, and that is saved.